In the pantheon of our ancient Hawaiian religion, Pele was most respected and yet most dreaded. Pele was, Pele is, and Pele will always be her flaming beauty, the fire goddess of our Hawaiian volcanoes. Legend says that Pele married a mortal, Prince Lohiau of Kauai. Pele sent her young sister, Hiaka, to fetch Lohiau to bring him to her. When the big bands first came to the Hawaiian shores, they incorporated our ancient chants into their style of music. We invite our onboard halau, Hula Moku o Ke Kai, to present one of the oldest Hawaiian big band songs. Ladies and gentlemen, the Hawaiian War Chant.
And now we are pleased to present Mr. Corey Monteith and Dana Pate with Andy Cummings' rendition of Waikiki.
There's a feeling deep in my heart, stabbing at me just like a dart. It's a feeling heavenly. I see memories out of the past, memories that always last, of a place beside the sea. At night when the shadows are falling, I hear your rolling surf calling, calling and calling to me. Oh, 'tis you that my heart is yearning. My thoughts are always returning. Out there you cross the sea, your tropic nights and your wonderful charms are ever in my memory. And I recall when I held in my arms an angel sweet and heavenly. My whole life is empty without you. I miss the magic about you, magic beside the sea. Your tropic nights and your wonderful charms are ever in my memory. And I recall when I held in my arms an angel sweet and heavenly. My whole life is empty without you. I miss the magic about you, magic beside the sea. Oh, magic of Waikiki.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, we're very proud to bring back to main stage the hottest orchestra, the High Seas. Put your hands together for the SS Independence Orchestra and the Boogie Bumpers. beat. Newest member to the orchestra, big band trombone man, Cousin Charles. Otherwise known as Hot Mix on board, trumpet man, Cousin Dawn. Musical director, orchestra leader, Cousin Tom on piano. The big bad bass man back there, show your aloha for Cousin Vic. The noisiest member of the group, ladies and gentlemen, our very own drummer, Cousin Stan. The SS Independence. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, it was a time when the swing was king. Everyone all over America was listening to the popular radio show Hawaii Calls, broadcast live here in Honolulu, Hawaii. Whether you're staying at the Sheraton Moana Surfrider or the Royal Hawaiian Hotel or maybe even one of the famous taxi clubs in Chinatown, you're listening to the sounds of the big bands. Come with us tonight as we recreate that popular remake of Hawaii Calls.
WHQL Hawaiian Radio. Well, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to America's favorite big band show, Hawaii Calls, coming to you direct from the beautiful beaches of Waikiki.
The first number is proudly sponsored by Kona Coffee. Coffee of the islands, when taste really matters. For coffee that's the best, the taste that beats the test. Kona Coffee, the island's best.
Well, we open this evening with the Hawaii Calls Big Band and singers, and the #1 hit in America. So swing along with us as we get in the mood.
Don't you keep me waiting when I'm in the mood. The black boys sit right in the city, don't you know it was great. Then it came along, boy. You sing a groovy song, and I ask. She's hot to look at all the way to do tonight. So hot, you're in the mood because the feeling is right. She's hot to the corner with a table for two. So hot, the music's mellow, so get ready to boo. Oh yeah, she's dancing with the blue attitude. You gotta do some dancing to get in the mood. In the mood, oh, in the mood, oh, in the mood. I need some kissing to take you on, stand in the mood now. In the mood, that's what he told me. In the mood, that's what he told me. In the mood, I want to skip it to take you on, stand in the mood now. Except for the beautiful eyes, the girl lips that shine his eyes. Hey, swing with me. What are we gonna be? I mean, I think it's rude to keep me waiting when in the mood. Forget those guys. Let's dance. Ooh, what a dream romance. Hey, it's 2:45. There's lots of moonlight. Swing with me. And no, I think it's rude to keep me waiting when in the mood. I'm in the mood. I'm in the mood. I'm in the mood. Yeah, I'm in the mood. In the mood. In the mood.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. That was the #1 big band hit by Mr. Glenn Miller. And now for some of Hawaii's music made popular by Hollywood. You heard it first in the movie Sadie Thompson, starring Rita Hayworth. And now brought to you by our sponsor, Dole Pineapple. Pineapple. They don't grow on trees. So here's that lady, Sadie.
They call her Sadie, the little South Seas lady. They say that Sadie is the reason for the heavy tourist season in the aisle, so many miles across the sea. And the boys rise early to see that streamlined girlie. They'll say she's a principal attraction when that gal goes into action. Patience for vacation, reach capacity. So if you're ever down in a full of time, you come across a certain little lady, big round eyes that tantalize. You can bet your bottom coconuts, a little gal is no one but Sadie, the little South Seas lady. For when she rolls the lava lava, she's a very hot tomato in the aisle, so many miles across the sea. In the aisle, so many miles across the sea. And the boys rise early to see that streamlined girlie. They'll say she's a principal attraction when a gal goes into action. Reservations for vacations reach capacity. So if you're ever down in a pool of time, you come across a certain little lady, big round eyes that tantalize. You can bet your bottom coconuts, a little gal is no one but Sadie, the little South Seas lady. For when she rolls the lava lava, she's a very hot tomato in the aisle, so many miles across the sea. In the aisle, so many miles across the sea. And now Hawaii Calls is proud to present the swingingest band on the islands, the boys in the band. And for all you ladies out there, they're all mine. Swing it, fellas! And now Hawaii Calls' favorite big band singer, Miss Scarlett Yates. Lehigh may call you any night, any day. In your heart, you'll hear it call you. Come away, come away. Valley High will whisper on the winds of the sea. Here am I, your special island. Come to me, come to me. Your own special hopes, your own special dreams. Bloom on the hillside and shine in the streets. In future eye, you'll find me where the sky meets the sea. Here am I, your special island. Come to me, come to me. Valley High, Valley High, Valley High. Thanks, guys. And now, what would your trip through beautiful Hawaii be without the hula? Here's Mike and Renee to tell you just what to look for when you see a hula girl dance.
Whenever you're watching a hula girl dance, you gotta be careful, you're tempting romance. You keep your eyes on her hips, those naughty hula hips. Just keep your eyes on the hands. Remember she's telling the story to you. A rope was swinging, but don't watch the view. Don't concentrate on the swing, they don't mean a thing. Just keep keep your eyes on the hands. And when she goes around the island swinging hips so tantalizing, just keep your eyes where they belong. Because a hula has a feeling that'll send your senses reeling. It makes a weak man strong. No sense in revealing you fooling no one. No use concealing, we're having some fun. So if you're too young to date or over 98, just keep your eyes on the hands. Just keep those eyes on the hands. Thanks, Renee. Now to end our broadcast, we have that #1 hit by Mr. Bing Crosby, brought to you by the Hawaiian Call Swingin' Quartet. Night and you and blue Hawaii, the night is heavenly, and you are heaven to me. Loving you and blue Hawaii, with all its loveliness, there should be love. Come with me while the moon is on the sea, and night is young, and so are we. Dreams come true in blue Hawaii, and my good all come true. This magic night of night with you, this magic night.
Scarlett Yates joins your cruise director, Kamana'o Pono Hattori, Ray Kennedy entertainer Ramel Gopez, cruise host Lucian Keene, as they invite you to come become Hawaii.
Come and be a child again. Come hold hands with an old friend. Let the rainbows make you sigh, reaching out for a sky. Come where waterfalls do swim, true blue ocean without end, where the start of island days brings love your way. Come dance over Honolulu. Come embrace me, Waikiki, and let the fragrance of the flowers come become a part of me. Bring me Maui with her valleys, and Kauai by the bay. Fashion jewels made of fire, stringing gems into a lake. Come where music is the tune for the rising of the moon, and come on where forever means to stay, where forever starts today. Come become Hawaii. All the way from the Constitution Lounge, playing the 1940s hit Bumble Boogie, here's George Schneider.
Did y'all enjoy the show tonight? Did y'all have a good week with us? Yes. Enjoy the entertainment. We'd like to say mahalo. Mahalo nui loa kākou to each and every one of you for coming out and supporting the entertainment staff and our cabarets and, of course, main stage shows. And we would like to thank a few people this evening who, without them, we wouldn't have had such a great week. Ladies and gentlemen, first please help me thank the wonderful Beatlemania Live group doing an outstanding job for us. We hope you've enjoyed their show this week. Also, Danny and the Juniors performing for us this week. An outstanding performance all week long. We've been so supportive for all of our shows and activities. And tonight, of course, we're going to close the show here in just a few moments, but not the close of the night, because in the Constitution Lounge, you have to join Mr. George Snyder if you haven't been with him yet. He's actually playing for Renee, who is one of our Ray Kennedy entertainers. We'll be performing our very last cabaret tonight in the beautiful Constitution Lounge. And of course, Tim has got a final blowout sale for you for all of our beautiful art in the Kauaʻaina Lounge. Passenger Talent Show is this evening. Pajama Party is tonight. We gotta pack up everything and walk around the rest of the evening dressed in what you go to bed in. Scavenger hunts tonight in the Ohana Lounge. Still a grand night for you here aboard the Independence. But ladies and gentlemen, as we close our show this evening, we're going to call back all of our entertainment staff members to the stage. We'll go through this very last song with you. And as we go through this last song, I want you to think about the kind of week that you had. From our 2 days in Kahului, Maui, to Hilo, Hawaii, Kailua, Kona, to Honolulu, Oahu, and of course today to beautiful Na'Wiliwili, Kauai. Think of all the wonderful new experiences that you had and some of the new friends that you've made this week. As we go through this very last song, think about all of these things. We'd like to bring to the stage once again a very talented and very beautiful source of Hawaiian knowledge. To start us off, please welcome Kumu Auntie Ipo Kahaialii.
Aloha. tears from your eyes. One more aloha, then it's time for goodbye to you.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our Hawaiian musicians, Cousin Butch and Cousin Elias.
I'll be with you here tonight, and I'll wait for that day when we all will meet again. Until then, sweet
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome cruise host, Cousin Lucian. Youth Director Shelly Norton. Ladies and gentlemen, Recreational Coordinator Cousin Liz. And your very own DJ Scott.
Ladies and gentlemen, your Assistant Cruise Director, Corey Monty, and Cruise Director, Kamanaho Pono Corey. And the Ray Kennedy Entertainers.
in dreams, I'll be with you until then, sweet until then, sweet
And the SS Independence Orchestra, headed by Mr. Tom Fick.
Did you enjoy the show? Did you have a good time? Thank you very much. And what we'd like to also do is we'd like to bring back to the stage four outstanding gentlemen who don't sail with us that often, only very seasonally. But we'd like to recognize this evening, once again, joining us from the Ohana Lounge, the Poi Boys. Welcome back to the stage. That piano man, that fast tickling ivory key man, Mr. George Snyder. Cousin Melissa from our purser's office, joining our halau, our student queen. Ladies and gentlemen, please also welcome one of our youth counselors, Kapua Tirada, to the stage. Kind of a rowdy bunch of entertainers, wouldn't you say? Ladies and gentlemen, Friday nights are also very hard nights for us. We look forward to, of course, getting to meet each and every one of you in the beginning of the week, and at the end of the week, it's always hard to say aloha. It's always hard to say goodbye. We hope you've gotten a chance sometime throughout the course of the week and the time that you spend with us here aboard the Independence, that you get a chance to touch upon the spirit of aloha. Akahai lokahi ulu ha'aha'a ahuluia. In the way of life that we live here aboard the SS Independence and all throughout our beautiful state of Hawaii, we want you to take some of that home and share it with your friends and your family. As a part of our ohana, as a part of our family, we do have a few folks that will be departing. We'll be going on vacation. Actually, for some, will be maybe some of the last times that this actual collection of group of people up here will be together. But we would like to formally say aloha to a few folks, and please help me be so kind as to say aloha. One to our Constitution Lounge pianist, Mr. George Snyder. Musical director, Mr. Tom Pitt on piano. Assistant cruise director, Corey Monty. Piano player, musical director, assistant cruise director. Who else is leaving? Oh no, I got George. Who else is leaving? Got Tom. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me thank, after 8 months of being here on the SS Independence, our Ray Kennedy entertainers. If I be so kind as to ask if our new Ray Kennedy entertainers who are sitting in the back of the house there would come and join us up here on the stage as a small little welcome aboard the SS Independence. Ladies and gentlemen, 6 have been training all week long and will be taking shows next week for us. Please welcome to American Hawaii Cruise Line's new ohana, the brand new Ray Kennedy entertainment staff members. Is Ray Kennedy back there? Is Ray back there? Oh, he is. Ladies and gentlemen, everybody always tells me he's a figment of my imagination because you always hear it all week long. Ray Kennedy entertainers, Ray Kennedy entertainers. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Ray Kennedy. Responsible for an outstanding production cast. Also, ladies and gentlemen, please help me thank our technical staff without any of these shows. Richard back there. It's like we're winning awards up here or something. But of course, as you can see, a very tight ohana, a very tight family here aboard the Independence, and